right, it's everybody's favorite Uncle Buddy. How are you all doing? Anyway, guess what today is? It is December number 2, 2019, and it is time to pick a winner of the Sky Rover Vigilante. Little helicopter go flying through the air with the greatest of ease. All right, I'm going to put up the video here where we picked the winner, and I'll show you how we got the winner picked. I done it through the YouTube Random Picker, which is a pretty neat little tool if you're going to be doing giveaways. And before we get to that, I wanted to tell you all a little something about, got a little camera here. It's a little Vivitar camera, HD, full HD camera, but the HD on it's a 1080p. It's not 4K or 8K, 6K, whatever. It's 1080p. Got a little screen in the back. There is no image stabilization with this camera. You can get this at Walmart. It's about 40 bucks. I wouldn't waste my money on it because I'm going to have to get a gimbal in order to take out some of the random movements if I'm carrying this around, or a gimbal that's going to be able to attach to the bike. Otherwise, the road vibration on the bike or the Jeep or whatever, it's just going to show through it, and your video is going to be crappy. So the gimbal, the cheapest one I found, which is a handheld gimbal, was $100 at Best Buy. And by the time you throw the price of the camera in, you can actually get a pretty nice camera with built-in image stabilization for that same price and not need the gimbal. Or you can spend the $400 and get a GoPro and don't, have the best little sport camera they got out on the market. The little camera holder here, I could do this here was cool. I picked this thing up. It's got the 1/4 bolt so you can attach your camera to it, and it suction cups onto a lot of different surfaces. But this thing is kind of cool. And Radio Shack, yes, I said Radio Shack. They still have a Radio Shack around here in Derby, Kansas, just north of Ark City here, has these for $5 a piece. I should have bought 12, I only bought one. But anyway, I just wanted to let you all know about this camera. $40. A lot of people are looking to get these sport cameras for their motorcycles and everything because it's getting nice to. But like I said, this is only 1080p. It's not 4K, which I can't do 4K anyway. I don't have enough horsepower on that damn thing. But anyway, just thought I'd show you. You have a good day. And now is the video of our winner. All right, here we go. This is our winner. We're going to put the URL in up here. Then we're going to come down and remove duplicates. Then I searched by Taylor because Elizabeth Taylor, some of y'all just said Liz, some said Elizabeth. So now we got that. Hey, you got a 1 in 8 chance of winning. Look at that. Now let's get started. Let's see who's going to win this beautiful baby. And there we go. Mr. Mike Smith, you won. Yay. Anyway, there you go. Wow, can you believe it? Congratulations, Mike Smith. You won the Sky Rover Vigilante. It's all yours. I'll be getting a hold of you soon. Let you know when to come and pick it up, or we can drop it off because I know you do live here in the same town I do. But congratulations to Mike Smith, and I hope you have a lot of fun with it. It is fun to fly around, or if you're going to give it away as a Christmas present, okay, congratulations, you won. All right, this is Uncle Buddy saying, hey, check this out too. This is one of my favorite things when there's bugs around. Oh yeah, let's get us one. Let's get us one. Hey, y'all, listen. Y'all got guns. We're going to shoot stuff. I shoot flies. Even though it shoots salt out of it like a shotgun, it is harder than hell to shoot a fly on the move. I tried and tried and tried, and it didn't work. But anyway, y'all have a good day. Uncle Buddy loves you. Mwah. And congratulations to you, Mike Smith, on your big win.